Hello everyone, it's Dr. Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and here is your 5-finger tip for this week. So I want to show you how you can use a Gmail template as part of an existing email. So let's get started. Don't forget to click the thumbs up to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to compose an email and I'm talking about the meeting that we're going to have, and I say, hello, and we talk about the meeting, how awesome they are. And then I want to put my Zoom link in it, and I'm always going to Zoom, copying the link, sending it to people. So why not just make it a template? So I'm going to come here to the 3 dots, and I'm going to go to templates, and I'm just going to insert my Zoom link. How awesome is that? So it doesn't have to be the entire email when you're using a template. It may just be something that you add to emails all the time, and you don't want to have to keep copying and pasting it from somewhere else. So notice I had meeting as my subject, so it didn't change my subject. But if I come here and I'm doing the same thing and I don't put a subject, and then I want to go ahead and put the Zoom link in here, just know that Zoom link, since the insert is called that, the template is called that will become my subject. Not always delete it, but I just want to kind of give you that tip. So that is it for today's tip. However, since some of you did not watch my previous video about how to do a template, I'm going to go through that right now. But if you already know how to do that, you are done. Good luck, sir, ma'am, madam, whoever. Okay, so if you need to know how to do a template, you're going to come here to the gear and you're going to go to see all settings and you're going to go to advanced. So when you do that, where it says templates, you want to enable the template. So you're going to click enable and save changes. So enable and save changes. So once you do that, when you come to compose, if you have a signature, you want to delete the signature. Never put a signature in your template because then you're going to have 2 signatures every time. So delete it, and then I can come here and go, hello, you are awesome. And just put whatever you want to put in the template. So if I want to put links, now the only thing you can't put in a template are attachments. But if you put them, throw them in, your Google Drive and put the link in there, then the link will be part of the template. So that's good enough for our template. So I'm going to come here to the 3 dots and I'm going to go to templates, and I see it now because I went to turn it on. And then I'm going to come to save draft as template and save as a new template. And then I'm going to call it whatever, but just know whatever you put here will become your subject. So be very careful about what you put there. So I'm going to put awesome announcement and save. And then that's it. When I want to use, and I can just exit off, I'm done. And it will become a draft though, so you want to delete all those drafts. But when I'm ready to use it, I can come here to compose. Notice my signature is there. And then I'm going to click the 3 dots, templates, and I want to use awesome announcement. So notice awesome announcement becomes my subject, and there it is. Now, if I'm responding to someone, it will not change whatever subject is already there. So if you already have a subject, it will never override the subject. But if you don't have a subject there, then the name becomes the subject. So 2 other things, if you want to delete a template, you just come here to delete template and then click on it. And it's going to say, are you sure? And then you just click delete. If you want to edit a template, what you would do is compose, take that subject out, because remember, you never want to use the subject. You're going to go ahead and add the template, like let's say overdue work assignment, or whatever that is, overdue work announcement. And I want to add an exclamation point to thank you. And I want to put thank you down here. So then I'm going to come here, templates, save draft, and notice it says overwrite. So that's what I want to do. I want to overwrite the overdue work announcement. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. And it says, hey, are you sure? Yes, I am. And click save. So now when I use that overdue work announcement, this is how it's going to look. So that's how you can edit your templates. But there you go. That's how you turn on templates, use them as complete emails, but also use them as parts of existing emails. Good luck.